Today we are starting off with our first coding problem. It's called birthday cake candles from HackerRank. It's an easy one. Let's quickly go through the problem statement. So the problem says there's a cake on which there are n number of candles, and there's a candles array or list of length n, and each element of array describes the height of a candle. We have to create a function birthday cake candles which takes parameter candles array, and the function will return the number of tallest candle on the cake. For example, we have candle 4, 4, 1, 3. These are the height of the candles, and the function will return 2 because there are 2 candles of height 4. The input to the problem will be n, which is the size of the candles array or the total number of candles on the cake, and n number of space separated integers which will describe the height of the candles. Let's quickly jump into the solution of this problem. Let's create the method. The parameter it will take is candles. This variable will store the highest candle among the candles array. We use max, provide our candles array. Now we need to find the number of highest candle present in the candles array. We write result equals candles dot count. Count method will count the number of highest candles present in the candles array. We are done with our method. Let's take our inputs. The strip method will remove unnecessary space from our input. Now to take input of n space separated integers, let's take the list. Let me explain this line quickly. We take input from the user followed by rstrip and split. The split method will separate the space separated values, and then this map function will map all those values to integer just to typecast them, and then all of this will go into the list method and it will create a list candles. Now let's call the method and print it. We write print name of the method and provide in the list candles. Let's run this. 3, 2, 1, 3. Hit enter and we had 2. Try this code and run yourself. It will definitely run all the test cases. Thank you.